This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do a turkey wing mount. First, gather your essential tools like a sharp knife, borax, and a sturdy cutting surface. Make sure the turkey wing is fresh and in good condition, as this will greatly impact the final result. Finally, set up a clean, well-ventilated area to work, ensuring you have enough space for all your materials. Next, carefully skin the wing, being sure to leave the meat attached to the bones for structural integrity. Then, meticulously remove all excess meat and fat from the bones and skin. This step is crucial for preventing odor and decay. Afterward, clean the bones thoroughly with a gentle soap and water to remove any remaining residue. Now it's time to preserve and shape your wing. Generously apply borax to all exposed flesh and the underside of the skin. This acts as a drying agent and insect repellent. Carefully position the wing into your desired display shape, ensuring the feathers are arranged neatly. Secure the wing firmly with pins or clamps to maintain its form during the drying process. Finally, allow the wing to dry completely in a cool, dry place for several weeks. This can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, depending on humidity. Once fully dry, carefully remove all pins and brush off any excess borax. Your preserved turkey wing is now ready to be mounted onto a display plaque, creating a lasting memento.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.